Good morning, students. Let us start Unit 1 Bamboo Curry Marigold Class 5. Okay. In this video, we will discuss the story. You will see this bamboo shoot, which is soft in nature, and in somewhere a dish is being made with this help. So curry is being made with the bamboo shoot. So one person went to his mother-in-law and she gave bamboo curry to eat, and it was very delicious. So he likes. So he thought, okay, we should make this bamboo curry at home only. But he realized that there is no bamboo in his village. So what he did, he took the door of his mother-in-law home and bring this to his home and ask her wife to make curry with this bamboo. So this this is not possible to make curry with this hard bamboo, and because curry is made with the shoot of bamboo, it is very soft. So a detailed story you can read there, and in this video I will discuss new words and exercise of the story. Let us move towards new words. First word is dish. Dish means food item. Some food item is there. For example, this something is food item. I will, So sentence will be Avil is a traditional dish in Kerala. Avil is a traditional dish in Kerala. Next word is delicious. Means tasty, yummy. So this boy finds this food tasty, delicious. So he is eating. So sentence can be bamboo curry is a delicious dish. Or I can also say Avil is a delicious dish. Shock means surprise. Sentence can be she was surprised when that person asked her wife to make curry with bamboo. She was surprised. Why she was surprised? Because she knew it cannot be made. Next word is chop. Chop means cutting in small pieces. Like this. Sentence. First chop the vegetables. Okay. Now exercise. Complete the sentences meaningfully. Okay. So first sentence is the bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of, this is blank space, bamboo, and there was no bamboo in his village. So these two words you have to fill. Okay. Next is the bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it was hard to eat, because she made bamboo curry with the hard bamboo which cannot be eaten. So it was hard to eat. This is in the blank space. Next, word hunt. Fill in the blanks with the word from the story. Some blank space are there. We have to fill the words from the story only. So in the first sentence is the bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. At. He stayed the night with his in-laws. That night, he stayed there only. So with his in the blank space. He carried the bamboo door back with home. He carried the bamboo door back with him. Next is, the curry was made from bamboo shoot. From, in this blank space. Next. Thank you. This is a small story, so only this item is there. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. Channel name is Alpha Plus Education. Thank you.